The third part of the video in regards to cracks in buildings. Now, I didn't list, I put the video with the installation in last week. It was just too long, so it's going to be in this week's one. So without further ado, what I'm going to do is to run the intro. But before I do that, subscribe if you want to know more. If you like the video, hit the like button. That would really help me. So that's down there somewhere or over there. But anyway, you know how it goes. Just hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more coming your way over the next few weeks, and the content is only going to get better and better. And so, with all of that said, run the intro. Okay, whoa. Right, so that's fitted now. I've also had to glue it in place as well as screw it in place. Apologies for the unevenness of it, but when you're going into concrete, it's very difficult to get the holes lined up. I suppose if I do like that, it looks level now. So yeah, it looks level. That is exactly level. No, it's not. It's out a little bit, but the main thing is we've got the crosshairs lining up. And if there's any lateral or vertical movement, each one of these now are independent. So there's two halves. That will then, if any one of those move, which will be either the back or the front, this is the back, that's the front, you will get a displacement in the line. So it'll either go that way or it'll go that way. So that's a fair crack. 5mm I measured. I don't know how long this has been moving, but this has been installed on the 5th of November 2021 at 4 p.m. So it should give us an indication of if there's been any movement over the long run. So that'll be interesting. And this is Neville Douglas signing off. I haven't broken my tripod, so I'll need to get that replaced. And if you're going to do this, try not to leave it so late like I did, because it's coming up to winter, it's getting dark, and it's not very clever really. But it's done, which is the main thing, so I'm going to pack up my stuff, and I'll come back and monitor this over the next 6 months or whenever the property's sold. And there is an interval which I'll come back and measure it, but you know, that's more of the secret sauce, so to speak. And we'll go from there. Okay, thank you very much for your time as well. You can't read it from the ground level, obviously, because it's not at the ground. And so if you try to do that, it's going to look distorted, because obviously you're looking at this thing at an angle. So that's it, time to pack up and fill out the sheet over there. I think I showed you that. Let me just come down from this ladder. Basically, I've just got to put a few more details in this. I've noted, I haven't put the address on there, but I've noted the weather conditions, wind speed. I haven't put the address in, telltale. So the date of reading, I've just got to put that in there. And then I'm going to put some comments here to say the wall was uneven and must be accessed by ladder. This is something that I've done for myself, so it's not a standard sheet that you can get. And so if you get any problems in regards to cracking or cracked walls or subsidence or movements, and you need my help, then by all means just leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Press the bell icon, I think that's down there somewhere. And I haven't started linking to any of the videos yet, but at some stage I will do that. So press the bell icon and let me know if there's anything, if you've got any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.